So ICHOM attracts people who are incredibly loyal, very, very passionate and mission orientated. And it works in a very, very flexible way. So the team is made up of brilliant experts from all over the world. And so it has a great level of diversity and different cultures, but it's very accepting of those differences. And that's what makes ICHOM an incredibly special and unique organisation.
What I've found is ICHOM is not short of ambition, and if you're willing to work hard and you have a flexible outlook when it comes to your job and your sort of day-to-day existence within ICHOM, there is always plenty of opportunity to develop and to grow within the organisation.
I've been supported immensely to bringing ideas to life within ICHOM. It's an amazing leadership team, an incredible board. It's a very entrepreneurial environment such that anyone within the leadership team, a new idea that's brought forth is really collaborated on, teased out, improved, and then vetted before the board and brought to life to the provider community.
So one of the best things about ICHOM being such a small, independent organisation is its agility. The team are very quick to lead with their own ideas and initiatives, and that's very much welcomed. And as a result, people within the organisation feel empowered to make a real difference, and they know that when they come up with ideas, they're going to be listened to.
ICHOM's mission impacts and motivates the work that I do because fundamentally it's all about improving the lives of patients and their families and overall quality of outcomes.
In terms of supporting professional development of the team, by working at ICHOM, team members really get exposure and in-depth knowledge for different diseases. And so far we have 44 sets covering a variety of disease areas, including oncology, cardiovascular diseases, mental health, pregnancy, and childbirth. So a variety of disease areas that team members gain exposure and experience with how the care is delivered, what quality of care looks like, what patient-centeredness looks like. The other area or skill of development is that team members also engage with different stakeholders from different backgrounds, culturally, educationally, and professionally, and gain experience with facilitating conversations, arriving at consensus, literature review for evidence to inform the discussions.
So at ICHOM, we encourage everyone to bring their knowledge, their past experience to the table. ICHOM's a small organisation, and because of that we're very agile, and because of that we have a great internal relationship. I've never worked for an organisation prior to ICHOM where we meet every other week from the top down, and it might be that we have a general discussion about what's going on and what's on people's workload, or it might be that we have a deep dive into a particular topic. But what's great and what I've never experienced before and what I love the most is I feel confident enough, and it's a very open environment where I can challenge what's going on. I can challenge my own thoughts, I can challenge the thoughts of others, whether that's leadership or anyone within the organisation, and that really helps us move forward. It helps us be agile, it helps us be fast-paced.
I believe that working at ICHOM provides a unique opportunity where you're able to interact with, collaborate, and engage with a variety of stakeholders. And those do include medtech, providers, payers, and patients. And this unique opportunity really allows for team members to be able to gain a perspective that you wouldn't otherwise get if you were in a research setting focused or a clinical setting working just in one disease area, or if you were in an organization that just worked in one country as opposed to working across many borders.
One of the things that ICHOM's staff really enjoy is traveling around the world and telling the ICHOM story. It's such a powerful story, and being able to put patients at the heart of everything that we do and share that story that is so well received all over the world is incredibly inspiring and motivating. And that is something that I found people within the organisation are very happy to do. And we have travelled all over the place to tell the ICHOM story.